हेलो एवरीवन। मैं हूँ सागर जादव। आज आज मैं पढ़ाने वाला हूँ थर्मोडायनामिक्स। तो आज हम देखने वाले हैं लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनामिक्स। लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनामिक्स क्या होता है? द फील्ड ऑफ थर्मोडायनामिक्स स्टडी द बिहेवियर ऑफ एनर्जी फ्लो इन नेचुरल सिस्टम. From this study, a numbers of physical laws have been established. The law of thermodynamics describes some of the fundamental truths of thermodynamics observed in our universe. Understanding this law is important to students of physical geography because many of the process study involve the flow of energy. लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनामिक्स के 4 लॉज होते हैं. फर्स्टली जीरोथ लॉ, सेकंड फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनामिक्स, थर्ड सेकंड लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनामिक एंड फोर्थ थर्ड लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनामिक्स. अब फर्स्टली देखते हैं जीरोथ लॉ. इफ टू थर्मोडायनामिक्स, जीरोथ लॉ कहता है if two thermodynamic systems are each in thermal equilibrium with a thirds, then they are in thermal equilibrium with each other. When two systems are put in contact with each other, there will be a net exchange of energy between them unless or until they are in thermal equilibrium. That is the system of having equal temperature. Although this concept of thermodynamics is fundamental, the need to state it explicitly was not widely precise until the first third of the 20th century. Long after the first three principles were already widely in use and it was numbered 0. Next point, zeroth law asserts that thermal equilibrium, viewed as a binary relation, is a transitive relation and sign any system is always in equilibrium with itself, and if a system is in equilibrium with another, the latter is in equilibrium with the former. It is furthermore an equivalence relation. And then first law of thermodynamics. Energy can neither be created nor destroyed. It can only change from one form to another form. In any process in an isolated system, the total energy remains the same. For a thermodynamic cycle, the net heat supplied to the system equal the network work done by the system. Then the first law states that energy cannot be created or destroyed. Rather, the amount of energy lost in steady state process cannot be greater than the amount of energy gained. This is the statement of conservation of energy for a thermodynamic system. It refers to the two waves that a closed system transfer energy to and from its surrounding by the process of heating or cooling, and the process of mechanical works. The rate of gain or loss in the stored energy of a system is determined by the rate of these two processes. In open system, the flow of matter is another energy transfer mechanism. An extra term must be included in the expression of the first law. Then second law of thermodynamics. The entropy of an isolated system consisting of two regions of space isolated from one another, each in thermodynamics equilibrium in itself, but not in equilibrium with each other, will when the isolation that separates the two regions is broken, so that the regions become able to exchange matter or energy, tend to increase over time, approaching a maximum value when the jointly communicating system reach thermodynamics equilibrium. Then, in a simple manner, the second law states energy systems have a tendency to increase their entropy rather than decrease it. This can also be stated as heat can spontaneously flow from a higher temperature region to a lower temperature region, but not the other ways around. Heat, heat, heat can appear to flow from cold to hot. For example, when a warm object is cooled in a refrigerator, but the transfer of energy still from hot to cold. The heat from the object warms the surrounding air, which in turn heat and expand the refrigerant. The refrigerant is the complex expanding electrical energy. The entropy of an isolated macroscopic system never decreases. However, a macroscopic system may exhibit fluctuation of entropy opposite to that stated by the second law. Third law of thermodynamics. Then third law of thermodynamics. As a system approach absolute zero, all process keys and the entropy of the system approaches a minimum value. If the entropy of each element in some perfect crystalline state be taken as zero at the absolute zero of temperature, every substance has a finite positive entropy, but at the absolute zero temperature the entropy may become zero, and does so become in the case of perfect crystalline substance. Then, in simple terms, the third law states that the entropy of a most pure substance approaches zero as the absolute temperature approaches zero. This law provides an absolute reference point of the determination of entropy. The entropy determinates relative to this point is the absolute entropy. Another application of the third law is with respect to the magnetic moment of materials. Paramagnetic materials, moment of randoms, will order at T approaches 0 Kelvin. They may be order in a ferromagnetic sense, with all moments parallel to each other, or they may order in an antiferromagnetic sense, with all Nick-Browning pairs of moments anti-parallel to each other. A third possibility is spine glass where there is residual entropy. Next point like the tentative fourth laws. Over the years, various thermodynamics researchers have come forward to ascribe to or to postulate potential fourth law of thermodynamics, either suggested that widely accepted principle should be called the fourth law, be called the fourth law, or proposing entirely new laws. In some cases, even fifth or sixth law of thermodynamics are proposed. Most fourth law statements were speculative and controversial. The most commonly proposed fourth law is the on-sugar reciprocal relation, which gives a quantitative relation between the parameters of a system in which heat and matter are simultaneously flow. तो चलिए आज आपने क्या क्या पढ़ा ओवरव्यू कर लेते हैं। फर्स्टली पढ़ा लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनेमिक्स, सेकंड पढ़ा जीरोथ लॉ, थर्ड पढ़ा फर्स्ट लॉ, फोर्थ पढ़ा सेकंड लॉ, एंड फाइव पढ़ा थर्ड लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनेमिक्स, एंड सिक्स पढ़ा टेंटेटिव ऑफ फोर्थ लॉ। आपको तो ये चार ही लॉ पढ़ के एक आइडिया अभी होगा कि थर्मोडायनेमिक्स में आप स्टेप बाय स्टेप जा नहीं सकते, क्योंकि थर्मोडायनेमिक्स को एक टर्म में वो कॉम्प्लिकेट करता है। जो ये वो टर्म है वो कॉम्प्लिकेट करता है, लेकिन थर्मोडायनेमिक्स ऐसा सब्जेक्ट है कि वो स्टेप बाय स्टेप जा नहीं सकते, क्योंकि वही टर्म है जो थर्मोडायनेमिक्स को कॉम्प्लिकेटेड करता है। आई होप अप्रोच कि आपको समझ में आया होगा। आई वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। आज का वीडियो यहीं एंड करते हैं। थैंक यू।